What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, you still remember Vusumuzi Matlala, this guy who rose, from poverty to riches, and he did this, through flashy government tenders and obviously underworld dealings, that have been talked about in the media, etc. So, this guy was definitely living a flashy lifestyle, driving all the luxury cars that you can think of, associating with a lot of powerful political figures. So, unfortunately for him, that entire world has collapsed right in front of his eyes. And now he is in jail, he is in prison. And the news that is circulating is that Vusumuzi Matlala, is negotiating with prosecutors and is ready, to drop all the names and become a state witness and expose the entire syndicate with how they were working with other political heavyweights, business elites, and other fellow crime bosses. So this is definitely going to send a lot of shockwaves out there, as Vusumuzi Matlala is going to be finally coming out and speaking. So because of this, I think this is why, maybe Bheki was trying by all means to contact Vusumuzi Matlala, maybe was trying to send a message, whatever, what he was trying to communicate. And it's not just Bheki who was trying to get hold of Vusumuzi Matlala. There is also a Brown Mokgotsi. He is also said to have attempted, to get hold of Vusumuzi Matlala, but he failed to get hold of him. So at the moment, Vusumuzi Matlala is currently, I think we can say, like, safely in the hands of what do they call those police officers from the prison, the prison officials, whatever. So he doesn't have a external influence, whatever. He is like in the hands of the state, etc. And he's obviously will be trying to negotiate a less sentence for himself if he becomes a state witness. So that's the news that is out there with Vusumuzi Matlala. I'll catch you guys on the next one.